Oh my gosh, this place is absolutely beautiful. It's the perfect place for a girl trip, and I want to kind of capture their reactions as they enter. So I want to see what they say. Close your eye. Close your eyes.
Close. What?
Not following instructions.
Open set.
And then,
Wait lang. Close.
Oh, crap.
Close.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
whoa! Oh, we have our I love it. I didn't know it was part of the room.
You're great.
I feel so VIP. Ganda. Tour.
Meg, tour the
So this is the second room. Uy, Gagi! Iba yung feels.
Wait lang, ayaw naman mag-sombrero.
Wow! I love everything. Pwede tayo room dito kung sobrang okay tayo.
Wow, this is CR.
Big CR there.
Okay, open.
Window.
Okay. Alright.
Wait.
Ay, wait lang. Ano ba? Open or push? Push ata. Ayun, push. Ready?
May band.
I told you, meron. Whoa!
Oh, I brought my slippers. That's so cute. Oh my god! Yung pajama nila. Pajama ko! Ang cute! Parang I like, ganito yung setup ng condo ko. Actually. I'm so happy.
Oy, wait lang. May leather couch. Hindi, aircon naman kasi dito. Oh, may aircon.
Wait, Meg, you have to check the. You guys have to show me the other parts of the.
Oh, come on! Whoa! Come on, guys. Did you guys bring some food? No. Yeah, same. So, this is my room. I told you there's a bathtub. Oh my god, so big! Look at the mirror! Oh my god!
Wow.
Bongga. Happy. Worth it yung payment.
I feel like it's like almost like Beauty and the Beast kind of vibes. I don't
You
know
know what?
why.
I thought the pool was part of the restaurant. No! I thought it was.
So wait, what's this
All
one
the
for?
rooms meron sarili
Is
sila.
this like
Even the small one.
the door to Narnia?
Even the small
How
one.
about this one?
Cool. The difference lang is how big is the place. This is so nice. There is your shower if you want to parang dito. Perfect. Gorgeous.
Wala dito
Magulo natin na sobrang happy kasi. Tsaka, parang ayaw mo ng sun. Pero gusto ko mag-chill. Ayaw ko mag-sun, but...
Meg, you get the hats.
You know, we can ask them if they can make the water warm.
I wonder if
Pwede ba yun, girl? I think you can. How?
Guys, this place is absolutely amazing. Me and the girls are super excited. We really like it. It's just perfect. Perfect to hang out with your friends. Perfect for some bonding moments. I really love it. I love it. Like, I just love the aesthetic so much. Everything just works out and it's just so nice. There's like a million places to take your Instagram photo. Like hundreds of places to think of reels that you can make. It's overwhelming. And the good thing, guys, is like, it is the rainy season now in the Philippines. And, you know, it's nice to have a place where you could just hang out indoors. And this is just the perfect spot that you guys should check out. Gotta check it out.
I got the